Login failed on IG Trading fix. You open the IG Trading app to check your open positions or make a trade, and suddenly login failed. It's one of those moments that can make any trader nervous, especially during market hours. But don't worry, the fix is often much simpler than you think. Start by checking your connection. Trading apps like IG require a secure, fast internet link. If you're using public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. Also, disable any VPN or proxy. It blocks logins from unknown or masked IP addresses for security reasons. Next, update your app. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search IG Trading, and install any available updates. Outdated versions can cause login issues when the servers run new authentication protocols. If the app is updated but still not working, clear its cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, IG Trading, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This clears out corrupted files and refreshes your data. Now, double check your credentials. If you've changed your password recently, your device may still be using the old one. Type your username and password manually, not using autofill. If you forgot your password, tap Forgotten Login Details to reset it through the IG website. Till no luck, IG might be undergoing server maintenance. Try logging in through the desktop platform to confirm. If the issue is on their end, waiting 15-30 minutes often resolves it automatically. So, when you see login failed on the IG Trading app, don't panic. Check your connection, update the app, clear the cache, and verify your details. Within minutes, you'll likely be back in control, tracking the markets, managing trades, and staying ahead of every opportunity.